am making a delicious breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I mean, anytime you want. This is a complete gluten-free paleo. Paleo, is that how you say it? Here we are. I am making a delicious breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I mean, anytime you want. This is a complete gluten-free paleo. Paleo, is that how you say it? Diet. People swear on this diet. People could lose up to 25 pounds on using this as a go-to dinner meal. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it. You know, maybe Amy, I will actually try the beach bod too and start working out and try to get healthy. And I don't know, we'll see. It's hard to do that when you're in a beach environment and you feel like everything that you do around here or outside in California, you're always working out anyway. It definitely does not show by any means. But here we are. So today I am making, I don't know if this dish actually has a name or anything. It has some yams, and I know Joy's not a fan. She's like, I hate sweet potatoes, even though she did have my sweet potatoes on Thanksgiving. And if I come up there for Thanksgiving, you're going to have yams. So yeah, so this is basically going to be yams, spinach, eggs. We got some everything bagel seasoning on there. What I get the crunch one, so it gives you that little bit extra. A little bit of organic honey, which I like to use. And some organic baby spinach. I do have my yam and my eggs ready. Did you know eggs, like maybe for baking, that you're supposed to put them at room temperature? I didn't know that shit. I just take them out of the refrigerator and crack them, you know. But I guess that really works. So I'm gonna look into start doing some baked goods. I figure I better learn a little bit more about cooking, and then I can start trying to bake. Peanut brittle is on my to-do list. I have my yams cooking. So if I had a microwave, you basically could put the yam in a microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, how you do potatoes and whatever and whatnot. I don't have a microwave. So I actually had to start these things already because you want to try to get them soft, you know, and a little bit brown. And you can see I got these ones a little bit brown already in here. And they've been cooking for right around, I think I started this about 10:45 or so. And that will give it enough. These things are breaking up pretty nicely, really. Take one out. Eat it. It's soft. It's getting there. These up into cubes, and then I put just a little bit of extra olive oil in there, extra virgin. If I could afford avocado oil, I would use that, but I can't afford that. Unemployment's gone pretty much, so I can't afford the avocado oil. I might go try to find a tree around here, cut it, squeeze it, get some oil out of it. No, that probably ain't gonna happen either. But anyway, your spinach time. So the spinach has been pre-washed and ready to go. And you just grab a whole handful of this, move over your yams to one side, and then what you want to do is you want to get this all wilted and just throw a whole bunch in here. Just like that. That looks pretty good. I don't know, maybe a little bit more, who knows. I don't think it will matter at the end of it all. I don't cover this or anything. I just kind of get this going on the heat with a little bit of the olive oil in there. And back here I have my pan ready to go for my egg. Turn that one down. Some people, what they'll do is actually they'll just go ahead and they'll make a little hole in here. And then cook the egg like that, and which is fine, but I don't have the pan. Like if I use the pan that does, it's not a deep dish. This is a pretty deep dish. This is about 3 to 4 inches deep. then you can actually scoop it out. I didn't want to go through the hassle of that. And you just kind of stir this thing all up. Look at that. Isn't that party? This on low. And just let this go for another 3 to 4 minutes. And get that all welted down. You know, honestly, I could probably put a little bit more. So this is what we're making here. Making a yam and spinach egg dish with some everything bagel. I'm sure you could throw bacon here because you know how I love bacon. Oh boy. Yeah, see, this is getting all wilted down real nice and easy. Just a little bit of olive oil in here. And that's that, man. You just kind of keep this going. Like that. Now you cook your egg how you like your eggs. I usually cook them medium, I'd say, over medium. You know, just even with this in a batch, like, so weird. Like, everything's just not perfect. I can't work it. And there you go, you got your egg. I'm only gonna make one egg. It's gonna be a light breakfast today. So that's looking good. Egg over medium. This is gonna be amazing. I can't wait for this breakfast. And just kind of like the non-stick pan not be sticking at all. There it is. Okay, there we go. Boom. Shut that heat off because that's pretty much done. Just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. If you notice, I did not put any, no salt, no pepper, anything on the yams and the spinach, and that's just going to make it amazing. Gonna make it amazing. So, let's get your bowl here. Put this egg over here. And you grab a spoon. Notice, I did not put any cheese in here. No cheese. This is my first no cheese, healthy breakfast bowl. Probably don't have to put all of it. I'll have to take a little bit later. I don't know if I'll eat that all, but we'll see. Then you take your egg. Actually, before you do that, you might as well just do it. Like this. So, making a lot of noise here. I know. All because I don't know how that pan is sticking. I mean, are these copper pans just bad? I don't know. So anyway, that's what you got. That's what you want it to look like. Right in this area here. Down here. And then, what you're going to do, now you just take a little bit of honey. Drizzle the honey all around. Add a little bit of sweetness. Put some of this everything bagel crunch in there. Boom. Just like that. And that's your meal right there, guys. You could actually add a little bit of garlic powder or some garlic salt, I'm sure. I'm going to take a bite like this and we'll see how it goes. The bottom is really hot because I put it on the hot burner. See, now you just break it up. And look, you got that egg all in there. Oh, man. Alright, let's go back over here. That's my first. I'm going to take a bite of this. We'll see how it comes out. I've only made this one other time. I did make it for Ryan. Ryan has a problem with eggs. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. I love eggs. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's green. Gotta be healthy because it's green. I like sweet potatoes, so might be a little bit more for me in that sense. But if you don't like sweet potatoes, you know, you can't. There's nothing really you can use it. It uses sweet potatoes because it gives you less carbs. So it has, it's per serving. It's 27 grams of carbs, 9 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat. Total calories is 245. So that, I mean. The one thing I noticed the last time I ate this. I was full for a long time. And you have this pleasant taste in your mouth the whole day. I mean, even after you brush your teeth, it's still like there, it lingers, you know? But it's so good. I mean, maybe if I made your eggs over scrambled blue blatty, that you might like it a little better, but it is so good. I think if you incorporate this meal into your life and have it more often than not, that you could lose up to about 25 pounds. So if you're looking to lose some weight, this is the way to go. This isn't bad. But this food is so good. Seriously. You need to try this one. I could eat that whole bowl, no problem. It is that good. Maybe another egg. Actually 2 eggs. I don't think it would matter. I mean, it wouldn't matter, but it doesn't matter. Anyway. The every bagel crunch. They have the everything bagel seasoning, but the crunch adds a little something into it. It's actually pretty amazing. So, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna eat this whole bowl. Because I knew it was gonna be a short show. If you got any new people out there, thank you for coming out and joining me today. Take a look at my other stuff. Do the like and the subscribe. They're right here and here virtually. And if you feel free to donate. All my money goes to charity. And that's it. Anyway. Alright guys, enough of your time. Go enjoy your days. Make Saturday your best day. Make Saturday your last day. You know, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. We don't know what happens in 10 minutes today, but make every day your best day. Don't be Mike, because I don't make every day my best day. I just make it a day. But you guys should, because you guys are all worth it, and you guys are amazing people. You guys have been supporting me, and you guys have been here, and I don't deserve not one of you guys. So, but anyway, that's me. You guys should have a really good day and everything else. And I just got a text from somebody telling me, hey, go golfing. Hey, I can't go golfing. Anyway, cool. Let me see if I could do this. Let me take us out. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Take a look at my other stuff. Do the like and the subscribe. They're right here and here virtually.